Hi, my name is Sarah.
Hello.
Hi guys, I'm John. I bought SelfDecode a few months ago.
Hello, my name is Holly Mulder.
What's going on? My name is Dave. I'm a SelfDecode customer, a happy customer at that.
Hi, my name is Rachel and I'm a personal trainer living an active and healthy lifestyle.
A friend told me about SelfDecode, so I decided why not give it a shot.
I'm a software engineer at a competitive tech company, and I've been looking for ways to improve my cognitive function.
I use SelfDecode to figure out the source of my gut issues.
After taking their test, they were able to tell me that there were certain foods that were giving me inflammation.
SelfDecode gave me a prioritized list of recommendations.
And now I'm able to eat a more expansive diet, I'm able to enjoy more with my friends, and I'm able to lead a happier and more fulfilled life.